When you forget your keys, you're stuck standing outside. Why don't you use UMIK Smart Lock? You try replacing the lock yourself, but your power drill just won't do the job. It doesn't need to be so difficult. Our locks are very simple. No drilling. Installation is a breeze. All you need is a basic screwdriver. Unlock with a smooth fingerprint scan in just 0.89 seconds. Let kids tap the door open with an IC card. And with face recognition, your face becomes the key. When friends come to visit but couldn't get into the house, use your mobile phone for remote control and easy door opening. Unlock your door like you unlock your smartphone. Your key? Time to retire. Just simple, secure, smart access for everyone.
Follow us to join the community of innovators.